Dude, that's gonna be bad.
Don't put your hand there. Move it! Look out!
Did you know that you can solve your microwave cleaning woes with ease and fun? Meet Angry Mama. Just add vinegar and water for a simple chemical-free solution to stubborn stains and unpleasant odors. Microwave for 7 minutes and let the steam do the work. Grime loosens and wipes away effortlessly, even in hard-to-reach spots. Keep your microwave spotless, fresh, and ready to use, all while having a little fun. Get yours now. Link in my bio. Subscribe for more problem-solving products.